Hello, this is Tang Hao from HKU. I'm going to introduce our team's design of Words Watcher, a learning English words app using photographic words. Imagine that children can easily memorize the new words with all these photographs, no longer need to face text words, and of course with smart words. Learning new words can be anywhere and anytime. So, how do we design it? We use proto.io to do the prototyping. Our principle is using super clean style to attract the children with photographic words. We never make users to do complicated operations, just learning in a test way. So you can see this is the proto.io. Now let's start our smart words design firstly. We have a review mode when the screen wakes, like just a glimpse of time raising your hands, like this. You can see the main screen is super clean and elegant as well, and the design of the photographic words is very vivid and attractive. You can see the roll. It describes a bear is rolling, like the screen displayed. So the user never nego every second of idle time to studying and learning new words. And of course you can scroll right to do the next words. You can see this is paddle, and the double D is just like the paddles. So now let's enter the main screen. Now when you have much time to sit down and review words, then you can enter the app, and there will randomly show new photographic words synchronized from the smartphone, and you can record the meaning. If you don't remember it, then just press softly of the screen. Here shows the meaning from the bottom, and we design a blur view to highlight the meaning. As you can see, it's kind of blurred, and you see it's very clean, and I'm sure the children will like these photographic words more than text words, especially with smart words. And you can scroll right to the next words. Now it's the paddle. It's just an example of our design, so we do not have any more words. You can scroll left to the previous word or the right. Then let me introduce the smartphone design, which we made it in correspondence with the watch design, but with more functions. Okay, now let me introduce the smartphone platform's design. Now we can place the icon to get into the main screen, and you can see that this is the learning screen of this app, and the left upper corner is the main left menu. When you press it, it will show the menus set bar, and this is the login user, and this is the home, and this is the vocabulary list, and the settings and logout. Now let's start from the home screen. As you can see that we keep it very clean and in correspondence with the smart watch. And you can see this is the roll words. The bear is rolling. If you don't remember it, you can just press forgot to show the meaning of these words, like this. And if you want to know more about it, so you can scroll right to show the example of these words. So, and if you knew it, so you can pass it and press got it it will display the next. Also scroll left to the previous one or scroll right to the next one. Okay, now let's enter the vocabulary list. You can press this, and you can see in the bottom navigation bar there is a segment, and you can choose new words and must-read words to switch different tabs. And you can also press edit button to do some operations, like you can delete, choose it and delete it. Okay, and you can also select all, and you can cancel all. Okay, and you can also choose one and send them to watch. It will be synchronized to the watch smartwatch. Okay, now let's have a look at the settings. There will be some operations to set some functions about the smartwatch and smartphone. It is just our idea about this app, and you can also log out. Okay, and we also implemented our prototyping on iOS platform by Xcode. As you can see on my iPhone, there is our app, and you can enter into the app. It's just like our prototyping on Proto.io. And this is the left sidebar menu, and you can change them to the vocabulary words and the settings. Now let's focus on the main function or learning parts. Okay, as you can see, it's just the same as this part, and we can scroll right to the next words and scroll left to the previous one. And if you don't know this word's meaning, you can press unknown to show the meaning of this word, and you can scroll right to see the example sentence, like a bear is rolling. Of course, you can scroll right to the new one, and the meaning will hidden. And you can also press unknown, and you can see it's the sentence of this pattern one. And of course you can see the settings and also the vocabulary ones, just like this. And you can also edit, and you can select and to watch. Okay, that's all for our prototyping of Words Watcher. Thank you.